CES 2020 in Las Vegas. Were you there? If you were, I'm insanely jealous. If not, then like me, you'll probably have been following what's been going on through blogs and videos, but there's just so much content. In this video, let me catch you up on two new cameras where we learn more details at CES 2020, the Labpano Pilot One and the 360 Anywhere from Techy, and another couple of goodies that I think might catch your eye. The updates to the Poweregg drone. Yes, you heard me right, I'm not kidding, it's called the Poweregg. And the ever so cute and I think very handy Moon Ultra, which I hope to get hold of and make part of my kit bag so long as I get hold of one. They don't appear to be shipping out to New Zealand just yet. Hi, my name's Saab Johal and thanks for joining me on my channel showcasing light and easy mobile video making and gear. If you enjoy this video and get some value from it, please give it a like, drop me a comment and consider subscribing. Cheers. Okay, first things first. Right, that's better. First up, you'll have seen my video on the Labpano Pilot One from a couple of weeks ago, just up here somewhere. So what else did we learn about it from CES 2020? Well, we know that they were an honoree in the virtual and augmented reality section of the awards, so they must be doing something right? The main focus for the camera does seem to be its ability to deliver virtual tours pretty easily, which means that this might actually become a serious money-making tool if that's the thing you do. Labpano is also pitching the Pilot One as the most efficient 8K 360 camera for street view photography, the world's first 360 camera that performs real-time stabilization while live streaming 360 VR, which looks pretty interesting, though a bit unclear as to how it works through this SwiftBird 8K cloud live streaming product. And weighing in at 249 grams, they think that this means you'll be able to hold this steady enough to smoothly shoot 8K panoramic photos and videos with a single click. To be perfectly honest, I think I agree that this looks great. If I got hold of one of these, I'd immediately be taking Ben Claremont's new course on producing virtual tours to monetize my investment. 10% commission is fine, Ben. I think that's reasonable. And Labpano have revealed two versions of the Pilot One shipping at the end of February. A 64GB version at $1,199 and a 128GB version at $1,249. And at the moment, you get a GPS module for free if you order. You can find that link in the description for this video. All right, moving on. Second up today is more detail on the unveiling of the 360 Anywhere camera from Techy. It's still a work in progress to finalize absolutely the retail details of the camera, but here's a rundown of the most important specs and details of what's been released so far, with final confirmation due at the end of February. Now, it's a cuboid shape. What's with the blocky design of cameras coming out of China this year? With the Insta360 1R, the Labpano Pilot One, and now this 360 Anywhere from Techy. Am I missing something about the 80s coming back into fashion? What was I saying? Yes, a block. With 4 lenses at f2.2, it's got an inbuilt SSD drive coming in at 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and possibly a 1TB version too. It will also be capable of live 8K streaming with in-camera raw data stitching, RTMP push stream in the machine, maximum resolution of 7680 by 3840, and a maximum bitrate, which is currently stable at 100 megabits per second. It has no fans for temperature management, so it should be pretty quiet, and it meets IP65 standard, so it can handle about 5 minutes in rain. It looks like it will only have an iOS app, no Android. And it looks like it might have the same UI as the FiMax app. But if you know different, please let me know down in the comments below. Now this is going to cost you a juicy $3,000 to $3,500 in price, mainly because of the inbuilt storage, and that's going to be confirmed at the end of February. But there's a little video on Facebook, which I'll show you a little clip of here, but the resolution is pretty low. But I think what it's trying to make the point of is that it's comparing the 360 Anywhere camera with the Insta360 Pro 2 in terms of noise through being fanless and also image quality too. I guess we'll know more at the end of February, and you can find out more about the specs in the link, which is in the description for this video. All right, on to two more unusual things that were being talked about at CES 2020. So third in today's show is the Poweregg drone. No, I'm not kidding. That is what it's called, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is going to take off. Sorry, terrible pun, but I had to show you just for the sheer madness of it. Made by Poweregg They appear to have made a 3-in-1 camera because of its design that can be converted from an autonomous tabletop selfie camera to a drone or a handheld camera looking like a 90s handycam, but with built-in face recognition and what promises to be fairly decent video stabilization too. The original Poweregg's flying arms folded out from its body, but this time around you'll need to clip them on. This might seem less elegant, but there's a practical reason, not least that it means that the body of the drone doesn't need to be as large, but mostly it's so you can stow them away and use it in that 90s handycam design. Now the Poweregg also includes waterproof accessories, a case and landing floats that allows it to fly in heavy rain as well as take off and land on water. And the company says it will get up to about 30 minutes of flight and has automatic obstacle avoidance as well. And here's a little interesting detail in the release publicity. PowerVision also added an audio sync to its mobile app, so you can record audio using your phone's mic or wireless headphone and combine it with your video. Are you listening, Luma Fusion? This is what we want to see. On the one hand, the Poweregg X, that's hard to say, seems versatile enough that I can see people wanting a simple, versatile camera solution, using one device on holiday, for example, keeping all your footage in one place, a drone, a handycam, and a selfie cam, and you can edit it via the app along with any video from your phone. But there's always a sense with multifunction gadgets that it might not do each of those tasks as well as a dedicated device. And it's already a crowded marketplace. There's plenty of other devices that can offer something not exactly the same, but similar. It's available now in the US for $899 US. That's $899, not $899, although I'd get one now. And I think it's $1,249 if you want the waterproof version, which can also fly in winds up to level 5 of the Beaufort scale, which isn't that strong, I don't think. And finally today, let's finish off with something that I actually really want to add to my shooting kit. It's the Moon Ultra Portable Light, and it's so tiny, but it packs a punch apparently. The Moon Ultralight is built as a new ultra portable lighting device designed with you in mind. Of course. Its intuitive touch controls provide customizable brightness and tone, allowing you to perfectly capture your special moments, it says. Now, what it does look like it can do, it means that you can alter the brightness of the light up to 400 lux, which is about the same kind of brightness as you'd get in a sunset or a sunrise. And you can also control the color temperature from 2700 to 5000 Kelvin to adjust for different kind of skin tones. Now, I have a couple of small lights that I use, but I think this could be a very useful addition to my toolkit. It's touch controlled, it's rechargeable, and it has an optimized battery, meaning that it's always bright no matter how much battery time you have left, and then it just kind of cuts out. Now, it looks like it's mainly designed as a selfie light and designed to fit multiple devices like phones and laptops, but I guess it could also be flipped around the other way too. I'd be interested to try that out. It's available now for $50 US, and I'll post a link in the description for this video. As far as I can tell, it's only available for shipping in the USA at the moment, but I've reached out to the company to see if they might be willing to send me a sample to review here in New Zealand. I'll keep you posted if they do, and if they don't too. If you want to know more about the big star of the camera world at CES 2020, in my opinion anyway, check out my thoughts about the Insta360 One R right here somewhere. Anyway, you'll see a screen. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos and click notifications so you'll know when I've posted more. Cheers and go well.